A pair of Schindler 3300s. Now these were old Otis's, modernised with Dewhurst, but for some reason I never filmed the original ones. Left one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Very small 3300 EUs. And so like I say, these replaced a pair of old Otis's that have been modernised with Dewhurst. I'll have to link someone else's video because like I say, I never filmed them myself. Ooh, nice and quick.
Floor 5.
Yay, they talk. Now, who at Schindler commissioned this? No braille. Lifts in this country is supposed to have braille on the buttons. So why is there no braille, Schindler? I've seen that happen a few times with Schindlers. They need to pick their game up.
Floor 0.
Okay. There it goes. And that's it.